Good afternoon, students. Incoming junior chemistry assignment 26/8/2020. Question number 1. At what temperature will the rate of effusion of N2 be 1.625 times rate of effusion of SO2 at 500 degrees, students? So question is related to rate of effusions versus temperature. Here the given gases are SO2 and N2. So relation between rate of effusions and temperatures is R SO2 by R N2 is equal to T SO2 by T N2 into square root of M N2 by M SO2, students. Okay, students. Now what we said, students, that's nothing but N2 diffuses here. Rate of effusion of N2 is 1.625 times of rate of effusion of SO2. So R SO2 by rate of effusion of N2 is 1.625 times to that of rate of effusion of SO2. Next, T of SO2, students, temperature of SO2 is given as 500, so 773, students. Temperature of N2 unknown, students, into square root of molecular mass of N2, students, 28. This is of 64, students. Now RSO2 cancel, students. So Tn2 is equal to, students, 773 into 1.625 into square root of 28 by 64, students. That's nothing but you can obtain the answer like 830 Kelvin, students. Next, students. Question number 2. Rate of diffusion of hydrogen gas is when comparing with rate of diffusion of helium. So you are comparing rate of diffusion of hydrogen with rate of diffusion of helium. So RH2 by RH is equal to square root of mHe by mH2, students. That's it. That means square root of 4 by 2, students. 2 ones, 2 2s. That means what, students? RH2 is equal to 1.414 times to that of RH, students. That's it. Next, question number 3, students. Hydrogen gas diffuses 6 times faster than gas. Molecular mass of gas is, students. So hydrogen gas RH2 is going to compare its rate of diffusion with other gas. Rx is equal to square root of m2 by m1. m2 means mx, students. mx by mh2. Yes or not? Hydrogen gas diffuses 6 times faster than Rx. So 6 into Rx by Rx is equal to square root of mx by 2, students. Rx gets cancelled. Squaring on both sides, 36 is equal to mx by 2, students. That implies mx is equal to 36 into 2, students, 72. Next, students, question number 4. According to Graham's law, at given temperature, ratio of rate of diffusions of A and B gases, students. Its direct formula, students, Ra by Rb is equal to Pa by Pb into square root of Mb by Ma, students. Next. Question number 5, students. A gas diffuses 1 by 5 times as faster as hydrogen. Its molecular mass, student. A gas diffuses 1 by 5 times as faster as hydrogen means comparing with that gas, hydrogen diffuses 5 times faster. So that RH2 by Rx is equal to, students, Listen student, RH2 by Rx is equal to square root of mx by mh2. He said 5 times faster. So RH2 is equal to 5 Rx. 5 Rx by Rx student, that equal to mx by 2 students. Rx gets cancelled. Squaring on both sides. 25 is equal to mx by 2. That implies mx is equal to 50 students. Next students, question number 6. Which of the following paints will diffuses with same rate through porous plate? Students, two gases diffuses through same rate means rate of diffusion same. Rate of diffusion same if molecular masses of the gases is same. In given options, NO molecular mass 14 plus 16, 30, C2H6 molecular mass 30. NO and C2H6 both had same molecular mass, so both had same rate of diffusion students. Next students, question number 7. According to Charles law, students, it's a differential form of Charles law students as per Charles law differential form. You know that student, v by t is equal to k. That means dv by dt is equal to k students. Next students, question number 8. Question number 8. A bottle of dry ammonia and bottle of dry hydrogen chloride connected through a long tube are opened simultaneously at both ends, while ammonium chloride ring formed first will. Listen students, let two bottles, one is having HCl, second one is having NH3. Both are mixed, both are gases, both are having the ability to involve in diffusion. Students, we know that rate of diffusion is having inversely proportional relation with molecular weight of gas. As students, this one's molecular weight is equal to 36.5 students. This one's molecular weight is equal to 70 students. Who diffuses fastly? NH3. So it fastly reaches HCl and it leads to form ammonium chloride. So that it reaches HCl chloride, HCl's side fastly. So ammonium chloride is formed at the end of HCl side students. Question number 9 students. Question number 9. A porous portion in a porous portion. So listen student, two gases A and B having same volume same, diffuse through a porous portion in 20 and 10 seconds respectively. The molecular mass of A is 49, molecular mass of B will. Listen students, A and B or A by RB is equal to square root of MB by MA. As students, now come to my point, rate of diffusion is not given, volume time is given. So VA by T, A by VB by TB is equal to square root of MB by MB by MB. Now come to my point students, here volumes remains the same. So TB by TA is equal to square root of MB by MA. So listen student, he said A as 49, so that square root of 49 MB. So now TB is given as how much students? TB is given as 10 by 20. 10 by 20 is equal to square root of MB by 7. That means what students? Square root of MB by 7. That means 1 by 2 is equal to, so 1 by 2 is equal to square root of MB by 7. That means 1 by 4 is equal to MB by 49, because squaring on both sides. MB is equal to 49 by 4. 49 by 4 means approximately 12.25 students. Question number 10 student. A certain gas takes 3 times. A certain gas takes 3 times as long as to effuse out as helium. Then its molecular mass will be. Its molecular mass will be. So listen, here given one. Question number 10. Certain gas Rx by Rhe is equal to, students, Rx by Rhe is equal to square root of Mhe by Mx. Okay, students. Now come to my point. Here he said this ratio is 1 by 3, no doubt at all. So this ratio is 1 by 3. So that equal to square root of Mhe. Mhe means molecular mass of He by Mx, students. Squaring on both sides. That means 1 by 9 is equal to 4 by Mx, students. That implies Mx is equal to 4 into 9 means 36, students. Next, question number 11, students. 50 ml of each gas of A and B of 150 and 250 seconds respectively for effusing through a pine hole under the similar condition if molecular mass of B is 36, molecular mass of A will be. So Graham's law of diffusion, student, as like previous, here he is saying that gases are A and B. So Ra by Rb is equal to square root of Mb by Ma, student. Square root of Mb by Mb. Ra is equal to Va by Ta, students. Rb Vb by Db, so it will become as Tb by Vb, student. Square root of Mb by Ma. Students, he is saying molecular mass of B is 36, but Ma is unknown, student. Now listen, students, and here 50 ml of each gas A and B. So A and B volume same, and next, students, A time 150, B time 200 seconds. So 150, this is of 200, student. That equal to square root of 6 by square root of Ma, student. 6 by square root of Ma. So that what will happen, student? So 53s, 54s. Yes or not, student? 54s, 53s. And next, students, if you consider this 4 by 3 is equal to 6 by root Ma. Squaring on both sides. 16 by 9 is equal to 36 by Ma. That means Ma is equal to 36 into 9 by 16, students. So that listen, students, 4 fours, and next 4 nines, 4 nines. That means 81 by 4. So 81 by 4 means approximately 20.